Kim at Paolo, nagpakilig sa kanilang hosting event ngayong araw. Tila magaling na ang aura ni Paolo Avellino dahil dumalo na ito sa kanilang event ngayon.
It's always great to see you. Once again, I've seen you at the Hyundai Pavilion.
Yes, alam mo yan. Wow, you look amazing.
You too. Ginagaya mo.
Another twinning and winning outfit.
Our rock stars like our cars. Right?
Yes, alam mo, Pao,
Elantra.
I am so excited to be representing Hyundai as they launch the all-new Elantra. And, syempre, look at these cars. Its eye-catching design will definitely make you look and feel like a rock star on the road. Parang tayo ngayon. Sharing the center stage with us today is the Elantra N-Line, which is a trim option that takes us after the brand's motorsport roots, the Hyundai N. And, of course, the Elantra Hybrid Premium, which provides effortless efficiency, the perfect option for those in search of that Hyundai is really providing a car that suits your every need.
Parang yung car na gamit mo ngayon, di ba?
Yes, Hybrid Tucson.
Now, don't miss the chance to see these rock stars close and in full metal.
Oh, grabe! And we've got great news for those of you who are looking to own the all-new Elantra. Reservations are now open starting today here at Mayas, and Hyundai Motor Philippines wants you to have a worry-free ownership experience.
Parang gusto ko, actually nagigigil ako i-test drive tong red na N-Line.
Ngayon na ba?
Oo, pwede ba? Sige, so next, I'm sure magagamit natin yan.
Iba, no? Ang ganda. It looks so pretty.
And the hybrid option as well. That's perfect for Manila.
Yes, tama yan, Kerman. Congratulations to Hyundai. And this has been Kim Chu.
And I'm Paolo Avellino. Ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po. And see you here at the Hyundai Pavilion.
Kaya naman, kamsahamnida!
And Mr. Cecil Capacete, Hyundai Motor Philippines Managing Director, for a quick photo opportunity with Mr. Paolo Avellino and Ms. Kim Chu.
Paolo, I love you!
That wraps up Hyundai Motor Philippines opening presentation.
Talaga namang big time ang brand na ito dahil sa endorsers nilang sina Kimi at Paolo. Nagpapasalamat naman si Pao at Kim sa tiwala na kanilang natanggap at hoping na maging malayo pa ang kanilang marating. Anong masasabi ninyo sa balitang ito? Magkomento sa ibaba at huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe for more videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood!